What's up, guys? Mike Day here. Today we're putting some brand new stamps to the test on this small pad. We got a massive 4,000 square foot project coming up, and with a pattern this precise, there's zero room for error. We got to get the feel of these before we hit the big stage. But that's not all. To celebrate their 150th anniversary, my friends at Jackson Professional Tools are giving away a brand new Honda ATV. Stick around to see how these stamps turned out, and to find out how you can enter to win that ride. Let's get to work. Looks good.
Good on that. I'm like an 25.
Just want to thank my sponsors at Jackson for giving us this wheelbarrow. Jackson's been around for 150 years, and these wheelbarrows are amazing. They're great. I've had this one here for, I bet, 25 years or more, and it's still going strong. So, you know, once you buy a Jackson wheelbarrow, you pretty much have it for life. You take care of it. And we do concrete, like we just do concrete with these. So can you imagine how long it'll last? You know, if you just have it around the house, if you're a DIYer or a homeowner. How those handles feel?
Sturdy.
Nice.
Feels strong.
So they got the leg stabilizers on here, and the leg stabilizers help keep it from being as tippy as a wheelbarrow without them. Like this is an older version, it doesn't have them. And what I noticed is you get a full wheelbarrow of concrete, you know, you don't want it to tip over, so those leg stabilizers are really a key feature. I like that tire too. Like that tire is a big tire. It's got good traction on it. Smooth operating. Yeah, let's go. What we're doing here today is we're doing some stamped concrete. We got a big job coming up, 4,000 square feet of stamped concrete, and we want to test out the stamps. We haven't used these stamps before, so we want to test them out, see what they're going to feel like. And that's what we're doing this pad for here.
What's your head on that shovel? Using the power screen for this one?
Oh.
Huh, not big enough, big guy. I think it's going to be pretty close, Mike.
Yeah, looks good. So again, I'd like to thank my friends at Jackson for sending us this wheelbarrow, being able to use it on this job. They're 150 years they're celebrating this year, and they're putting on a sweepstakes to win an ATV, so I'll have a link for that in my bio if you want to check that out. go on there and just fill out the form, and you'll be entered into a chance to win a brand new ATV. That'll do it.
Got enough or something to wear out?
Plenty. Could tell the difference between using this wheelbarrow, and that one was those leg stabilizers are key for just stability, and the handles are really rugged, easy to handle. The tire floats over this surface with ease with a full wheelbarrow. So that all works really good. I would highly recommend getting one of these wheelbarrows, especially whether you're pouring concrete like this or just doing some work around the house. Having the wheelbarrow is just going to be handy for anything you do. Even if you're mixing concrete, like if you got a small batch of concrete you got to mix, I would just get the wheelbarrow, mix the concrete in the wheelbarrow. Alright, so that's going to do it for the wheelbarrow. And anyway, I was really satisfied with how that wheelbarrow worked. And the old one, I mean the 25-year-old one, still works good too. That thing's been abused and abused with all the concrete we poured with it over the last 25 years. And I'm really looking forward to having a new one now. Kind of probably, add to the, just add to the inventory of wheelbarrows. I got actually 2 of those that I bought them at the same time. And Jackson sent me 3 of these. So that's going to be super handy now to have all these wheelbarrows. Right now, I'm just going to show you how we're going to stamp this. Now, remember, these are new stamps for us. We haven't used these stamps before, and we stamp a lot of concrete. And it's always important when you go get ready to do a big job like this 4,000 square foot one that you just have a basic understanding how these stamps feel as you're walking on them on the concrete. You want to make sure they're going to move a little bit, and you want to try to get the feel for that, because we got to try to keep these lines straight. This is a 2x2, basically a tile pattern, right? And over 4,000 square feet, this is about 140 feet by 28 feet long. We got to try to keep these lines as straight as possible. And this is kind of what we want to do, is see what they're going to look like after we do a small piece like this. If we can keep them straight on this, then we can probably keep them straight on something a little bit bigger. All right, as you can see, the stamps turned out great. Testing them on a small pad like this gives us the confidence to tackle that 4,000 square foot monster coming up next. Now, don't miss your chance to celebrate 150 years of Jackson Professional Tools by winning that Honda 4Trax Rubicon 700. And entering is easy. Just head down to the description below, click the link, and fill out the quick entry form. While you're down there, hit that subscribe button if you want to see how the massive stamp project turns out. Thanks for watching. I'm Mike Day, and I'll see you on the next one.